Hello everyone. If you want to compress a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat, here is how you can do it quickly. First, open the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either create a new PDF or open an existing one. To open a recent file, you can just scroll down to the recent section where you will see a list of previously opened PDFs and choose the file that you want. Now when the PDF file opens, make sure to look at the left side of the screen and move the cursors towards the All Tools section. Within it, tap on the Compress a PDF, and if you are using a free version without a subscription, Adobe will send a message asking you to upgrade or purchase a plan. These features require a paid Adobe Acrobat subscription, but if you have a subscription, make sure to select the compression level by using standard or high compression and then click compress. And once the process is completed, click save as and choose the location where you want to save the compressed file, and lastly click save, and that's it. That's how you can compress a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.